Hi guys, this week you will be learning about nutrition. This is the topic for this week. But to know about nutrition, we have a question. And the question is, what foods help you stay healthy? Because when we say nutrition, the food have an impact in our life because the food give us energy. And why we need energy? We need energy to work, to grow, to exercise, to be strong, and different things. So we need the food to have a healthy life. So food help us to stay healthy, but not all the food is healthy. To stay healthy, we need to eat certain kind of foods every day. For example, if you are eating just snacks, crackers, drinking sodas, that is not healthy food. So you need to combine different foods to have energy and to be healthy. And to know what is the certain food that we need, we have the food guide pyramid. And the food guide pyramid help us to know the groups of food and how many servings you should be eating every day from each group. So in our next page, you will learn about the food guide pyramid. And here we have our food guide pyramid. If you can see, this is a pyramid in which we have the kinds of food that we need every day and how many servings we need every day. In the base, we have bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. This is the first group. And this kind of food, we need 6 to 11 servings every day, but depending the amount that you are eating. So in the second level, we have at the right the fruit group. With the fruits, you can eat 2 until 4 servings every day. And at your left, you have the vegetables group. With this group, you can eat from 3 until 5 servings every day. And then we have the next level that is divided in left and right too. At the right, we have meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, eggs, and nuts group. From this group of food, we can eat 2 until 3 servings every day. And our left is showing us milk, yogurt, and cheese group. From this group, you can eat 2 until 3 servings every day. And in the top, we have the fats, oils, and sweet. This kind of food we don't need every day. We are not going to eat every day. We can use sparingly this kind of food we don't need every day. So this is the food guide pyramid, and it's showing us what is the way that we can be eating this food. To continue talking about nutrition, we will talk about digestion and what happened when you chew. This is the beginning of the process. But digestion is the process of breaking down food. Digestion begins in your mouth. When you chew the food, that is the beginning of the process. So, your saliva makes food wet and your tongue mixes the food that you have there. So, the food start to change, and when the food start to change, you can take to your esophagus and then start the process. So we will continue learning about how is the process. To continue talking about nutrition, we need to know how is the food digested. This is a process that starts in your mouth when you chew the food. So after this step, the food is going to your esophagus, where the esophagus squeezes food down to your stomach. Inside your stomach, the food is mixed until it is a liquid. After this liquid goes into the small intestine. In the small intestine, continue the process where the particles that you don't need are going to your large intestine, and this is going to throw out again. So why this process is necessary? Because in this way our body will take the nutrients that we really need, because the nutrients are materials in food that you need to grow and stay healthy. But all of this is a process. In the next page, I will show you how the process is going in our body. And here we have the digestive system. If you can see here, at the beginning, we have our mouth. We have our mouth. So when we have the food in our mouth, we are going to chew the food. After that one, the food passes to the esophagus, and then it's going to the stomach. In the stomach, is going to be a liquid. After this one is going to the small intestine, and in the small intestine is going to take just the necessary nutrients, and then the rest of the food is going to the large intestine to be going out again. So this is about the nutrition. And here we have the assignment for this topic. The first is solve chapter 2 review. In the number 2, you will make your own diagram, and you can look the example on page D21. You will make your own food guide pyramid. You can look the example on page 23, D23. In this case, you will write what you are eating. And the number 4, you will make your own menu. And you can see the example on page D31. In each assignment, if you have questions, I am to help you. Don't forget it. I am to help you forever and ever.